Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, your herbalist, holistic health practitioner, and the host of Plant-Based, coming to you from Supernatural Cafe in Brooklyn. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a tincture. This is going to be an extract of some of the most popular herbs that I've ever worked with for treating stress, anxiety, and an overwrought nervous system. A tincture is an alcohol-based extract. So we're taking whole plant matter, dried or fresh, and we're submerging it in a high-proof alcohol, usually something clear like a moonshine or a vodka, and we're allowing it to sit for 6 weeks. When the herbs are extracting in the alcohol for 6 weeks, all of the medicine, the nutrients, the phytochemicals, the active compounds that we want out of those plants are extracting into the alcohol, and then we discard the plant matter, which at that point is just fiber, and we're left with the medicine. It's concentrated, it's shelf stable, tinctures will last for years, you only need a little bit. The blend in today's tincture is a combination of an adaptogenic herb and some nervine herbs. If you've been watching this show, you know that I love nervine herbs, and adaptogens are great too. Adaptogens are very popular for stress and anxiety relief, and nervines are the category of herbs that I prefer for treating nervous system sort of overuse or taxation. We have ashwagandha, lavender, oat, and skullcap. So ashwagandha, that's our adaptogen. That is known for lowering cortisol levels, capping our ability to freak out, just kind of creating this stable base. Lavender I just call the plant for peace. It's a little bit of a mood boost, it's a little bit of a sedation, it's just calm, and it obviously has that great floral scent and taste to it as well. Then we have oat. Oat surprises a lot of people. It's very, very common in blends for the nervous system. It is known as a nourishing nervine, so high in B vitamins, high in other nutrients that are nourishing in terms of their sort of nutritive value. Last but not least, skullcap. Skullcap is one of my absolute favorite herbs. It's a strong nervine. It was used before we had pharmaceutical tranquilizers. Skullcap is one of the best plants for a strong, calm down, mild sedation, but no sort of hangover or drowsiness or inability to function. It just takes that heightened anxiety and it just puts it right back down into sort of normality. So this combination of herbs works beautifully together to create peace, to build a foundation of sort of stress resilience. So let's make it. Add about 3 heaping tablespoons of each herb to a mason jar or glass pitcher. Cover completely with high-proof clear alcohol, like vodka. Shake vigorously and allow to steep for 6 weeks. Remember also to shake every couple of days as the mixture is extracting. The agitation helps the medicine extract from the herbs over time. All right, so here we have our nerveless tincture. This is a small portion of that whole mason jar that we extracted. As you can see, it's nice and dark now. This is where all of the goodness that we want to consume is. And it is super easy to use. You can just into the mouth and be calm. You can also add them to food, drink, anything else that you kind of have around and plan on consuming. So if you have, you know, a cup of tea, just a dropper full, or 2, or 3, or 4. And there you have it. This is perfect for travel, perfect for keeping in your pocket. You can use it any time of day, 1 dropper full at a time, 4 dropperfuls at a time, whatever you need for calming those nerves. For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.